Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a voiceover business with voices.com, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start your voiceover business with voices.com, the first step is to create a strong foundation. Begin by researching the voiceover industry to understand its demands and opportunities. Familiarize yourself with different voiceover niches such as commercial, narration, and character work. Next, visit voices.com and create an account. Choose a professional username that reflects your brand. Complete your profile by adding essential details about your experience and skills. It's crucial to upload a high-quality demo that showcases your voice. Consider recording several demo samples to demonstrate your versatility. Invest in good recording equipment to ensure your audio quality is top-notch. A quiet, acoustically treated space will enhance your recording significantly. Once your profile is set up, explore the platform's features and tools. Look for the Find Work section to browse available projects. Review job postings that match your voice and skills. Don't hesitate to audition for roles that interest you. Customizing each audition to fit the project's requirements can give you an edge. Monitor your application status and respond promptly to any communications from clients. Networking is vital, so engage with other voice actors on the platform. Participate in community forums and share insights or seek advice. Learning from others can provide valuable tips for success. Consider investing in voiceover training to improve your skills continuously. Courses and workshops can help you refine your technique and gain confidence. As you start booking jobs, manage your time effectively to balance work and practice. Keep track of your earnings and expenses to understand your business better. Finally, seek feedback from clients to improve your craft and client relations. Stay persistent, as building a successful voiceover business takes time and dedication. With consistent effort and passion, you can thrive in the voiceover industry on voices.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.